Welcome to our step-by-step guide on integrating MailChimp with Quizify. By integrating MailChimp, you can sync leads you get from Quiz directly in MailChimp and automate your MailChimp campaigns. So let's first go to Quizify app. You can find Quizify app here. Once the Quizify apps open, you have to go to integrations, and here is the MailChimp app along with other apps. Now to connect, you have to first of all click connect and then follow the steps. So very first you have to go to MailChimp account, so it's here. Now after that you have to go to extras and API keys. So here is extra, and under that there is API key. Okay, now you have to create a API key. You can name whatever you want, but for now I am just referring Quizify, and copy this key and done. Now you just have to paste the key you received here and click connect, and that's it. And now you can see your list here. If you want to add any tag, you can tag it and start syncing. Well, now let's go to the quiz. Okay, so I'm taking the quiz. I'm providing my information, and now once I submit this quiz, it will sync my data into the audience. And you will find it here in few seconds.